Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for another Speedy 6 set of Year 1 Common Exception words before we move on to Year 2 Common Exception words very soon. I'm really glad that you're taking the time to practice these spellings. You're going to be a super speller by the end of Year 2. Let's go. You know what to do now, don't you? When you recognise the correct spelling of these common exception words, shout out the number. Let's go. How do we spell friend? Not one we've covered in class yet, but you will have seen last year. Number 1, number 2 or number 3. Bit tricky, it doesn't look exactly how it sounds, and that's why it's on this list. Number 1, number 2 or number 3. There it is, number 3. F-R-I-E-N-D. Mrs. Anderson says friend in group to help you remember that. Helps me too. How do we spell push? Push. P-U-S-H. Number 1, number 2 or number 3? Easy, isn't it? That one, number 1. Well done. P-U-S-H. Fantastic. What about our? Our spelling is going to be amazing this year. Our. Number 1, number 2 or number 3? Easily mixed up with another word on the board, which is why we're practicing it, but let's see what you think. Number 2, O-U-R. Well done if you got that one. What about full? Our heads are going to be full of super knowledge at the end of Year 2. F-U-L-L. Number 1, number 2 or number 3? That's it, number 3. F-U-L-L. Fantastic. What about there? Over there. If you know how to spell where, it's got the same ending if you've been practicing this at home as well. There. Number 1, number 2 or number 3? There you go, number 1. T-H-E-R-E. Fantastic. Last one for this set, which we've done quite a lot in class, I think. House. Remember what sound it has at the end? How we make that sound. Number 1, number 2 or number 3? There it is, number 2. H-O-U-S-E. Well done. Thanks for joining in with this very speedy set. Keep your eyes peeled for more coming. Have you done them all? Are you ready for next week when Mrs. Gillette is going to give you a common exception word challenge? Leave me a like if you're going to smash it next week. See you next time.